Question number 15 here. The number of vacation days that each employee of company took last summer is given below. 1 take 2, 1 take 5, 1 take 6, 1 take 11, 3, 5, 7, 8, and so on. They ask each employee, how many days did you take as a vacation? One said, I took 2. One said, I take 5. One said, I took 10. One said, I took 1, and so on. Now start at 1 day and use 4 days for each interval. And I want you now to complete a frequency table. Okay, in order now to write the frequency table, you have to start from 1, as it told you, and stop at 4. So now in your fingers, yalla, count 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you start from 1 and at 4. So from 1 to 4, the first one. The second one, starting from 5. Now put 4 in your fingers and then count 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you stop at 8. Then start from 9. 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you say now from 9 to 12. And the last one, you start from 13. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Did you remember it now? Yeah, grade 6. Did you remember it, miss? Grade 6? Okay, type then. Now, for the numbers from 1 to 4. Okay. How many numbers are from 1 to 4? Let's count them. Yalla. 1, 2, 3, 4, only. So how many numbers are from 1 to 4? They are 4. And using the tally chart, you represent it as 4 sticks, as you see here. Since they are 4, so I will say 1, 2, 3, 4. Type the second one now. From 5 to 8. Yalla. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many? They are 10. So the first one, they are 4. The second one, they are 10. Type. The third one, from 9 to 12. Yalla. Let's count it. 9 to 12. 1, 2, 2, 3, and 4. 4. They are 4. So four employees that they took from 9 to 12, from 9 days to 12 days as a vacation. Now, the last one, from 3 to 16. We have 1 and 2. So they are 2. Bravo. From 3 to 16, how many numbers we have? We have 2 numbers only. How 3? Tell me, where are they? I told you from 13. But here you have to count the numbers. Did you see the numbers here? We count them from 5 to 8. How many numbers? When we count them, we found that they are 10. Is it clear? It's okay. Now, Complete the histogram now. From 1 to 4, did you remember the histogram? You need to draw a rectangle. From 1 to 4, what is the frequency? Or what's the number of employees? Mute your microphones, miss. Yes. Can you repeat, please? Miss, not 5 minus 8. From 5 to 8. Count. How many numbers from 5 to 8? 5 or 6 or 7 or 8? 5, 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, that 4 no. 6, 10, 5, 6, 8, 7. So how many numbers they are? Count them now. 1, 2. Miss, it's the number, not the number 10. The whole, yani count them, they are 10. Count the numbers. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why, Miss? What you didn't understand? I told you I need to count how many numbers from 5 to 8. Bravo. No, okay, but here from that given data. Yeah, fine, okay. Now then, who's say that the teacher to add me on? Her name is not appearing here. Jana Amjad. Type, okay. Just 1 second. Now complete the histogram. Now, did you remember the histogram? Okay, so here. From 1 to 4, what do we have? How many employees? They are 4, yeah. So I will draw now a closed rectangle end at 4. Then, how many employees now from 5 to 8? From 5 to 8. 10. Yes. From 9 to 12. 4. Good job. And from 13 to 16, 2. Bravo. 2. This is how can I draw or complete the histogram. Got it? Yes, I'm waiting you. Okay, I'm waiting you. Yeah. Yes. Number 1. Okay, I will wait you to finish writing, then I will explain it. Did you finish? Right. Question number 16. Use the histogram at the right. Here we have a histogram now for the number of minutes Maxine rode the stationary bike. Shows here, sometimes she spent from 0 to 9 minutes. The number of days that she spent from 0 to 9 minutes are 3. Oh, is it 3? Sorry. Here, the number of minutes, يعني sorry, from 0 to 9 minutes, okay? 3 days that they goes on 0 to 9 minutes. And we have 6 days that they go from 10 to 19 minutes, 10 days that they go from 20 to 29 minutes, and 8 days from 30 to 39 minutes, and 4 days from 40 to 49 minutes. Okay, now which interval has the greatest frequency? Which interval has the greatest frequency? Bravo, here is the greatest frequency. So it's from 20 to 29. Is it clear? Number 2, how many days did Maxine ride the stationary bike for 30 or more minutes? For 30 or more, how many days? For 30 and more. 30 and more, it means here and here. Bravo, bravo. Greater than 30 means from 30 to 39 and from 40 to 49. We have 2 intervals. The length of the first interval is 8 and the second one is 4. So we have 12 days. Is it clear? Here, they asked me. See here, they ask me now for 30 or more. Okay, for 30 or more. Where's 30 or more? Here is 30 and more. This is 30 and more. Hello, this is for 30 and more. Did you understand it first? Right. How can I find it? Just go to the first one. Here. This is the first one. Where it's how many days for the first frequency? It was 8. And the second one, it was 4. And then you add 8 plus 4. You are on. Do you have any question? No. Did you finish writing? Yes, Malak. Yes, Malak. Interval? Did you understand this one here, the previous one? This is like the interval here, 1 to 4, 5 to 8. Should we put them in this histogram? Which these numbers, number of days, we call them interval. Should we put them here on this histogram? So here it's the same. But another question, when another intervals, but they are already written. You are welcome. That's it? Okay. Did you finish writing? Okay.